Alright guys, welcome to this chapter, and in this chapter we will discuss a little bit about the fundamental, and fundamental tell us what is world doing and where are they are headed. So basically I use this site to see the economic calendar. So here investing, FX Street and Forex Factory. So I'm going to, so basically I use investing.com, and you just go to investing.com and go to tools, go economic calendar, click on here. Okay, so after that, here you can see this is the economic calendar, and you just change your time frame according to, here you can see I select Kolkata, Chennai and click on here. So you just select this Kolkata, Chennai, and you just filter this calendar. Okay, you just click on there, and here country. So what country news you want, you just mark that one. So basically I use American and Indian and European country as and another. Hold on, here you just click on this 2-star or 3-star, which is medium impact and high impact, and category. So there are 4 or 5 type of category we focus on, but here 6 or 7 category are there. So that is why I select all. So after that you apply. Okay, so why fundamental this news or data is important? When this data are releasing, so we at least it comes to know that where exactly larger players are headed, right? So what decision they are going to do for the larger time frame. So as we said earlier, I think you remember in our previous video, they are long-term trader. They are not a intraday trader. So once they had it in one direction, so that is why we are focusing on that direction only. So that is why these fundamental data or news are most important for us. So another, we are using earnings. Okay, so I'll explain also here. So this is global and our India news also available, and another you just go to here, tools and calendar and earning calendar. Okay, earning. So earning also most important for us. So here you can see you select according to country wise. So basically I am focusing on US and India only.